Hi there, my name's Edgar. Salon by Premier Software can set up and allocate reasons for why a client contacts you. In Salon, these are known as contact types. So today I'll show you how these work for reasons such as an inquiry or cancellation. After opening Salon, log into Manager if you're based at a single site or Administrator if you're based across multiple sites. Once in, click the System Setup cogs or gears, then on Contact Types in the bottom row. A new window will then appear showing any previous client contact. To create a new contact log, click the green plus. Under Contact Type Details and in the description box, you can then type in the name of your new contact type. For example, you may want to write cancellation here if you know a client may contact to cancel an appointment. Similarly, you may want to write inquiry if the client is contacting for a query, or reservation if the client is contacting to reserve an appointment slot. Beneath, you can then assign this contact type to a group. Use the drop-down menu to select whether this requires a note in the system, such as an inquiry, or an action, such as to cancel a booking. Similarly, you can use the area drop-down menu to assign the contact action to a client, such as for a cancellation, or inquiry, such as for a general question. When you're happy with the selections, click the green tick. If you want to set up this for multiple sites, but wish to change the name across each site, then make sure the contact type is highlighted, then click the Site Details tab. Click the site you would like to amend the contact type name for, then write in the new name in the alternative description field. Click the back arrow when you want to save any changes. The next time you log into reception, this will be ready to use. You will also need to head to reception when a client does contact you. Head to the Home tab above the diary or the Clients menu and click the Clients icon. You can then use the Search field and Method drop-down menu to locate the client using parameters such as their surname. Click the magnifying glass and locate the client from those listed, then click to highlight them. Click the green tick to then enter their client card. Once in their client card, click the Contact Log tab. To create a new log of the client's contact, head to the bottom of the screen and click the New button. Using the options available, you can then enter the details. Starting in the top left, you can then enter the date the client made contact. Click the arrow to select a date on the calendar that then appears. You can also enter the time of their contact. Below, make sure to select the drop-down menus for the site of contact, which software user the client contacted, what media the client used to contact you, such as email or SMS, and the type. This type drop-down menu will be where your contact type will appear, which you just set up. You can also enter any notes in the box on the right, which is useful to summarize the reason for the client's contact and if any staff need to read this for future reference. You can select any cancellation reasons here too if you have the relevant option selected. Click OK at the very bottom to then save the client contact. The details will now be shown in the contact history box below. Staff can click any of these to show reasons for the client's contact for future reference. I hope you found this video insightful. To find out more about Salon, make sure to book a free presentation using the link in the description on YouTube or the link in our Instagram profile. You can also visit our website at www.premiersalon.co.uk, contact our sales team on +44 01543 466 580 or email at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. For more Salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to us on YouTube and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they are available. We also have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premier Software content. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos and I'll see you next time.